Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up your Bloom high chair. First, carefully unbox all the components and lay them out. Make sure you have every piece listed in the instruction manual. Begin by attaching the 4 base legs to the central column. Listen for a distinct click, indicating they are securely locked. This foundational step ensures the high chair's stability and safety for your little one. Next, take the main seat unit and carefully align it with the top of the central column. You'll see specific slots designed for this connection. Gently but firmly press the seat down until you hear it click into place. Give it a slight tug to confirm it's securely attached and doesn't wobble. This ensures your child's comfort and safety during meal times. Now, let's prepare the feeding tray and harness. Slide the tray onto the chair's armrests until it clicks into its locked position. For the harness, adjust the straps to ensure a snug, secure fit for your child. The 5-point harness system is designed for maximum safety, so always double-check that all buckles are fastened correctly before placing your child in the chair. Before using your Bloom high chair, perform a final safety check. Confirm that all connections are tight and locked and that the seat is stable. Test the recline and height adjustment features to ensure they operate smoothly. Remember, constant supervision is crucial when your child is in the high chair. Enjoy many happy and safe meal times with your little one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.